graph means this will show that the rally, okay, the car rallies, they just start from Paris and they just go from different places. Okay, let's see the first thing here. Just a moment. Okay, now first thing he just said that write these things in orders. As you can know that if we are writing in order, so first thing we need to know in a graph this we show first place is Paris, then Barcelona, then Genoa, like that all at one till Berlin. Berlin is the destination point. So we know, so we are writing this in order. B part, how far is it from Barcelona to Genoa in kilometers? Simple. Barcelona to Genoa here. So it's equal to 785 kilometers. So you are writing it 785. And next part, C part, he said that write in miles, just multiply 785 this number. Okay. You just multiply with 0.62. You will get your answer here. Like 0.62 you multiply, he says, so multiply 785 by 0.62, so you will get answer 486.7 miles. As it is same D part, he say how many miles in a total, is he just said about total distance. Okay, is from first start from Paris, then Barcelona, then Genoa, then Rome, then the other till Berlin. Okay, so we are adding all the numbers. At the end, we are multiplying with 0.62. You will get your answer. Choose a different route. Means the third part is your task. It's up to you. You are choosing any 3 or 2 place like Austria, like Hungary, so Berlin. So different places your route. You choose your route. Okay, and start your telling the distance and convert this into mile. It's your task. Now, time zone. What is time zone? A region on the Earth's surface that share a common time. Means you will see there are different places. So every place have a different time. Okay, so we call it time zone because every place is now here. If here is morning, so maybe there is another place that have an evening or some other place that have night, midnight. Okay, morning, like that. Okay, so is in this question these children have a different birth months. Okay, they are all born in the same years before May. Find out who was born first. Who was Mina? First thing that we need to know that we are writing the names. If we are writing the name, it's easy for us to understand. He said Mina was born before Jess. Means first is Mina and Jess. Okay, next thing, Jess was born 2 months after Adam. Means Adam was born after Adam. Jess was born. Adam was born after Josh, but before me. Is before Mina he born. Okay, before Mina he born. Okay, but after Josh. Means so you can see that that is the with the help of this we know that who will born first, then second, then third. Okay, so this is the place. I mean, let's suppose if one is born in January. Okay, January, February, March, April. So let's check your answers, either we are right or wrong. Here Mina was born in, who is born January, like Josh. Okay, Adam was born in February. Look at Adam. Mina was born in March. Okay, in April Jess was born. So you are writing these things. Okay, so it's easy for you to understand. I hope you understand. Now go to the next place. Question number 1. Here is the time. You know the time, and a different country and different. Most of the time, they are different state. Every state have a different time as well. So here the different cities. So every city have a different time. Like Lima has 5:51. Karachi have 15:21. There are many other places you will see. Tokyo has 19:51. So let's suppose if we compare these two. So the difference between these two is 14 hours. Okay. So the same as it is, we are just comparing this Lima and Karachi. Let's check. Lima and Karachi, first thing that we need to do here should be writing here. No, no, not using this. Something else. Okay. Now, first tell me the Karachi. Karachi. Okay. What is the time here? Time should be here is 15 and 21. So I'm writing here to 21. Now next is Lima. So what I am writing here should be 05. So 05, sorry, 05 and colon 51. Okay. Now we are doing minus, so we need to know about one more thing. Okay, now here 1 minus 1, 0. Now here, next thing is here is 2. So I am doing here, I'm just doing here should be I just borrow 1. When I borrow 1, here 6 will come. Why 6 will come? Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Am I in? Okay. Now things that so 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 5 here should be 3. Okay. So here 3 will come. I write here 3. So now next thing should be I'm writing here 5. Here should be no. I will cut here the line, draw a line like this. So here what is left here? Here it should be 4. 4 should be left here. Okay, 4 should be left here. So what we'll say 4. Here it's actually 14. 14 minus 5. Here should be 9. So can I write here 0, 9? So it's easy for us. So that is your answer. Now I hope you understand. So my answer is 9:30. That is difference between these two times. Let's check either we are right or wrong. Now you will see here the answer should be from Karachi to this place is 9.5. So here is our same answer should be the same. Okay. So same like this, you are just solving the remaining. So here is the answer. Okay. So I hope you understand easily all of these things. Thank you so much for your cooperation. If you didn't understand anything, so feel free to ask me. Thank you.